Well, YouTube, I'm building my new computer here. All of my parts finally came in. I've been waiting for about 2 weeks now. I've had a few of the pieces trickling in a little bit, but now all of them finally just showed up today. And upon first observation, I noticed this chassis is huge. I don't know if you can see the size of it very well on this camera, but it's gigantic. It's the biggest computer case I've ever seen. But anyways, I've got my DVD-RW drive. I have it came with a free 160 gig SATA, but I also bought a 500 gig, and I'm gonna actually be using my my terabyte SATA hard drive that I have in my other computer, but I need to copy that onto this first, and then wipe it, and then install Windows 7 on it, if that makes any sense. So it requires 3 hard drives to do this transfer, and it's really weird. But anyways, yeah, these RAMs are 4 gigs each, so 8 gigabytes total. My 2 processors are Intel Xeon dual cores, both dual cores with hyper-threading, at 3.73 gigahertz each. So it basically has 8 logical cores working at 3.73 gigahertz, which is freaking fast. My graphics card is a let's see, it's a GeForce 9600 GT LP, which means the low power. It has low power consumption, which is good. So it's not going to be sucking power like crazy. And it came with only one. What is this called? I forgot. Heatsink. Came with only one heatsink. This weird giant thing. I had to buy another one. It said this one would be compatible, so it looks totally different, but whatever. So yeah, and of course I got my SATA cables here. I'm going to be sticking all that in here and turning it on, and hopefully it works. So yeah, this is just part 1, showing you all the parts and everything that I got. Part 2 is going to be me actually building it, and I hope you enjoy watching. I'm going to actually record it right now and upload it shortly after. So have a nice day, YouTube. See you in the next vid.